In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record expenses in Wave Accounting. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to fill in each field so your books stay clean and accurate. First, sign in to your Wave account. Open your browser, head to Wave Accounting, and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, we're heading to the transactions area where all your money in and out is tracked. Look to the left side menu and click on Accounting. Then select Transactions. This page is your central hub for recording and reviewing every financial activity, and it's where we'll add your expense. To add a new expense, click the button labeled Add Income or Expense. A small panel or form will appear. Make sure you're set to record an expense, not income, so you're decreasing your balance rather than increasing it. Now enter the expense details carefully. Start with the date. Use the actual purchase date on the receipt so your reports line up with when the cost was incurred. For description, write a clear note, something like the vendor name and what you bought, so it's easy to recognize later. For account, choose the payment account you use, such as your business checking account or credit card. This tells Wave where the money came from. Next, confirm the type is set to expense. For amount, enter the total you paid. If your receipt includes tax or tips, include those in the total so your numbers stay consistent. Then choose a category that best describes the purchase, like office supplies, travel, or meals. Picking the right category ensures your reports are meaningful and makes tax time smoother. If you want to add more context, use the notes field to capture details you'll want to remember, like a project name or client. You can also upload a receipt or invoice. Snap a clear photo or attach a PDF so you have a record for audits or reimbursements. Keeping receipts with the transaction is a best practice and saves time later. When everything looks correct, click Save to record the expense. You'll see it appear in your transactions list right away. If you spot a typo or need to adjust the category, you can edit the entry after saving. And that's it. Your expense has been successfully recorded in Wave Accounting, and your books just got a little cleaner. Thanks for watching.